Yeah, you have seen my 5 strand, 4 strand, 3 strand, 2 strand, and now it's done for the fun strand. Assalamu alaikum beautifuls, how are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. So जी कैसी लगी आपको मेरी वीडियोस? Do let me know in the comment section that if you are my old subscriber or my new subscriber. If you're new, don't forget to leave a comment, so let me know that you are here. And while you're here, subscribe my channel. And आप लोग अक्सर सोच रहे होंगे one strand कैसे बनेगी? It's very, it's the easiest of all. So ये है मेरी one strand braid. और if you are interested, then keep on. All you need is some rubber bands. So choose whatever color you want. I'm going for black ones. So करना आपने ये है कि take a rubber band and जितने भी आपके बाल है ना उनमें आप rubber band डाल लें. Now it's gonna take quite a while to me. Don't get bored. I'm forwarding it. जब आप इस तरह पोनियां कर लें तो what you need to do, you can use one of these if you want and put your rest of the hair into these and just pull it through ऐसे like this. And just keep going. आप सारी पोनी टेल पे पोनी पहले कर लें और उसके बाद just go through with these. Just pull it through and pull your hair on. Don't you hate it जब आपके बाल इस तरह अड़ जाते हैं? I hate it. काम के कपड़ों का यही बीमारी है. Okay. Now, if you don't have that, तो कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं. Just pull your hair ऐसे and बाहर से इस तरह अंदर करते हैं. बस एक दफा अपने सारे बालों पे रबर बैंड डाल लेना and you just go with that. इसी तरह ये नेक्स्ट को भी खोलना है. बाहर से अंदर की तरफ डालना है. Yes, done with that. अब जब ये एक दफ़ा सारे बाल फ्लिप हो जाएंगे and then I'm gonna pull the strands and make it fluffy. अच्छा, आपने इसको अगर embellish करना हो तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपने रबर बैंड डाला है, you need to place any flower or let me just put a flower. तो इस तरह आप सारे जो बाल हैं उनके ऊपर आप फ्लावर्स लगा के भी आप डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं and it will look amazing. So yeah. So yeah, this is the whole video. Hope you like my video. If you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.